Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Let's look at some examples related to conversion of solids as part of 10th grade syllabus, mensuration, surface area and volume of combination of solids. The first one, how many balls each of radius 1 centimeter can be made from a solid sphere of lead of radius 8 centimeter? So we have been asked to find out how many balls each of radius 1 centimeter. So we know, let's write it down. For balls and for solid sphere we have radius is 8 centimeter. Here we have radius equal to 1 centimeter. We have to find out n, how many. Okay, now what is the formula here? We have to understand that we want to take the solid sphere, from that we want to make 1 centimeter balls. So we know both are, the shape is sphere only, spherical only, they are, both of them are spherical. So we know the formula for volume of a sphere. Volume of a sphere is given by 4 by 3 into pi into r cube. And you know that volume is constant in both these cases. So the volume of solid sphere is nothing but equal to volume of n balls, n into volume of each ball. So let's leverage the formula V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube and try to see. First let's calculate what is the volume of the solid sphere. That is 4 by 3 into pi into r is 8 cube. Now this volume should be equal to volume of all the balls together, because we are trying to get the balls from the solid sphere. So I don't know how many balls, so I will say n, and each ball volume is equal to 4 by 3 into pi into r is 1 centimeter radius, so it's 1 cube. Now we have to find out n value. For that we can simplify, we can cancel 4 by 3 and pi. We are left out with 8 cube by 1 cube, which is equal to 8 cube, that's equal to 512, because 8 8s are 64, 64 8s are 512. So we can say that we can make 512 balls each of radius 1 centimeter from a solid sphere of lead of radius 8 centimeter. So let's go to the next problem. Let us do one more similar type of problem. Okay, let's look at this. We have been given that how many spherical bullets each of 5 centimeter in diameter can be cast from a rectangular block of metal with dimensions 11 decimeters, 1 meter and 5 decimeter. First let me convert this into centimeters so that we have all the units in centimeter. 11 decimeters is 110 centimeter and 1 meter is 100 centimeter and 5 decimeters is nothing but 50. So we have all cm there, 110 cm by 100 cm by 50 cm. We have been asked to find out how many spherical bullets each of 5 centimeter in diameter can be cast from a rectangular block of metal. So we have a cuboid. And we also have a sphere. We have been asked to find out how many spherical bullets we can have. So can be cast from a rectangular block of metal. That means the volume should be equal in both the cases, because the volume of the cuboid should be equal to volume of the sphere multiplied with number of spheres. So can I say n into volume of sphere equal to volume of cuboid. Now what's the volume of cuboid? Volume of the cuboid is 110 into 100 into 50, and we don't know how many, so I will say n. Each volume of sphere is 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius is nothing but equal to, diameter is 5 centimeter, so radius equal to 5 by 2 centimeter. So can I say 5 by 2 whole cube equal to 110 into 100 into 50. We have to calculate what's the value of n. So let me do that. I will write it as 110 into 100 into 50 into 4 by 3 into 22 by 7. It's nothing but 88 by 21. When it goes this side, it will become 21 by 88 into 5 by 2 whole cube will become 2 by 5 whole cube. That's nothing but 8 by 125. So we are just trying to simplify that, nothing else. Let's try to simplify this. 125 will go 8 times in 1000, and what else we have? We have 11 will go 8 times, 11 will go 10 times, and 8 will cancel out. If you multiply, we will get 10 into 8 into 21, that's equal to 1680 spherical bullets can be cast from a rectangular block of metal 110 by 100 by 50 centimeter. It's a simple simplification actually. 110 into 100 into 50 divided by this whole thing. I have tried to multiply this 88 by 21, get it here 21 by 88, and 5 cube by 2 cube is 125 by 8. When it comes to the right hand side, it will become 8 by 125. You can simplify that. You can see that the number of spherical bullets is 1680. Let's go to the next problem. Let's look at this example. A spherical ball of radius 3 cm is melted and recast into 3 spherical balls. The radii of two balls are 1.5 cm and 2 cm respectively. Determine the diameter of the third ball. So whenever we see melted and recast or cast, we always know that volumes are equal in both the cases. Volume is equal. Excuse me. So a spherical ball of radius 3 cm. We have a spherical ball of radius 3 cm is melted into 3 spherical balls. The radii of them are 1.5. Let us say that is 1.5, and the next one is little bit bigger, 2, and we don't know what is the other one. Let us say little bit bigger. Okay, right. So volume are equal. This is V1, this is V2, and this is V3, and this is equal to volume of the sphere, volume of the spherical ball of radius 3 cm. Can I say volume of ball? Okay. Now we have to equate the volumes in both the cases so that we can calculate the diameter of the third ball. So whenever we have been given melted and recast, we always know that the volume is equal. That we should be very clear. And we know that we are dealing with sphere here, and the volume of sphere is 4 by 3 into pi into r cube. So it's very simple once you understand that. So let's put down the values now. Volume of the ball is 4 by 3 into pi into r cube. R is nothing but 3. So can I say 3 cube equal to volume of the first ball, small ball, is nothing but 1.5. So can I say 4 by 3 into pi into radius is 1.5. So can I say 1.5 whole cube plus 4 by 3 into pi into the next one is 2 centimeter radius. Can I say 2 cube plus the third one I don't know, so I will go ahead and say the radius is r. So here the radius is r, here it is 2, and here it is 1.5, and here in the beginning it's equal to 3. That is 3. Okay. Now let's write the next step. The next step is, I can write it as 4 by 3 pi into 27 equal to, can I take 4 by 3 pi common in all of them? Can I write it as 4 by 3 pi into 1.5 cube plus 2 cube plus r cube. We have to calculate the value of r. I can cancel 4 pi by 3 on both the sides. I will have 27 equal to 1.5 cube is 15 15s are 225. 225 15s are 3375. So can I say 3.375 plus 2 cube is 8 plus r cube. That will give me, if I simplify, r cube equal to 3.375 plus 8 is 11.375. If you take it to that side, you will have 15.625. Now what's the value of r? R equal to cube root of 15.625. Cube root of 15.625 is nothing but equal to 2.5. So the third radius is 2.5 centimeter. We have been asked to find out the diameter. So diameter equal to 2 times of radius, that's equal to 2 into 2.5 centimeter. That is equal to 5 centimeter. So the diameter of the third ball is equal to 5 centimeter. Let's just summarize that. We have been given that a spherical ball of radius 3 centimeter is melted and recast into 3 spherical balls. So we know that whenever we have been given that like melted and recast, we know that the volume is equal, and it's nothing but conversion from one solid to another solid, but the volume remains the same. Now we know the volume of the ball. The formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. We also know volume of the small spherical balls. We have to calculate the diameter of the third one. We know volume is equal in both the cases. The volume of the spherical ball of radius 3 centimeter is equal to sum of volumes of 1.5 radius, 2 radius, and r radius. We don't know what it is, so let's take it as r radius spherical balls. So equating the volume, you find out that r equal to 2.5 and diameter equal to 5. We'll do some more examples as part of conversion of solids in the coming sessions. Thanks for your time. Bye for now.